Back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Odin 2 Mini versus Retroid Pocket 4 Pro. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about design and build quality. Mini provided sleek ergonomic premium build, design and build quality. And 4 Pro provided compact sturdy but slightly less premium design. So Mini is better. Now let's look at the screen. Mini provided 6-inch Full HD IPS 1080p vibrant color screen, and 4 Pro provided 5.5-inch HD IPS 720p good color reproduction. So Mini is better. Now let's look at the processor. Mini provided Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, and 4 Pro provided MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor. So 4 Pro is better. Now let's look at the RAM and storage. Mini provided 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage expandable, and 4 Pro provided 6 GB RAM, 64 GB storage expandable. So Mini is better. Now let's look at the battery life. Mini provided 6000 mAh 8 hours gaming battery life, and 4 Pro provided 4500 mAh 6-hour gaming battery life. So Mini is better. Now let's look at the emulation performance. Mini provided excellent for PS2, GameCube and Wii performance, and 4 Pro provided great for PS2, GameCube, struggle slightly on Wii. So Mini is better. Now let's look at the operating system. In Mini, Android 11 with custom gaming UI is available, and in 4 Pro, Android 12 with minimal customization is available. So 4 Pro is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Mini is estimate $299, and the estimate price of 4 Pro is $249. So 4 Pro is better. Now let's look at the connectivity. In Mini, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, HDMI out is available. And in 4 Pro, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, USB-C, mini HDMI output is available. So Odin 2 Mini is better. Now let's look at the customization. In Mini, extensive button mapping and customization options is available. And in 4 Pro, good but less initiative compared to Odin 2 Mini. So Odin 2 Mini is better. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.